Hello my amazing people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends of where una dey see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, welcome back to our channel provoke wahala TV, where we dey give una the woto. My people,
I say mess up, I dey here with you. Mess up, make you beat that there. Oh, that's not, I go mess up you. You know, I go beat you blood back in here. I go finish you. I don't even go back ahead. I go finish you. Yeah, finish me. Finish me. Finish me. Everybody see her. Wait. Everybody see her. Wait. What you do? Get video. Wait. Video. What you do? What you do? What you do? You block me. I'm going to judge you. You're not going to do anything. I'm going to judge you. Get out. Get away. If you do that, I'm going to judge you. I'm going to judge you. Your father. I'm going to get this man. No, I did this thing for you. I'm going to get this man. Come on, get out from my phone. I'm going to finish you. Mess up. You go finish. You use more to come block me or go kill your grandfather. Bastard. Or go kill your grandfather. You use this rubbish to come block me. You won't do anyhow. You go see what I'm going to do you. You be man. You be man. Yeah, do the crest. Do the crest. I'm going to kill you. No problem. Beat that guy well. I'm going to kill you. The Irish way don't do what you want. You can make up, make you. I go not do blue and black. Beat them well. Beat them. Yes. You don't go do anything.
You're mad?
I go beat you the way.
Papa, why did you do this thing?
But this my brother.
Yes.
Not get what you go do.
I take for granted.
I go join you.
Did you do this thing?
I go join you. I don't do this one.
Did you do this thing?
You be who? I go finish you. I dey tell you.
Papa, for the Victoria.
Shut up your mouth. Yeah, I come on my road. You dey crazy. If you post me, I go finish you. You dey make mouth. If you post me, I go finish you.
See, I go finish you.
I dey tell you now. You don't hear word.
You go pay on my
You
wrist.
don't hear
Why you
word.
block me?
You don't hear word.
Why you block me?
Today na today, police must come. Today na today.
Then you do this thing. Papa, let's leave that guy. Now, Vera say they find me. You do this thing.
No problem.
Vidora.
You ain't got Vera.
You just be bite my hand.
You ain't got Vera. Shame.
No problem.
Vera.
No problem.
Run mouth to the Yaya man don't come. Run mouth. People pass you.
No problem.
No
problem. Where my phone?
Follow me. I go finish you.
Now
what you dey pray for? Now what you pray for? Yes.
Where my phone?
Vera talk. See you.
I'll kill you for granted. Yeah, bad though.
Try and now.
I stop on that and I'll kill you. Papa, for one function, my blood touch your head.
See, I just dey look you.
Who you dey look? Who you dey look? Now me dey form
Look at what you do.
fabricate life for you. You dey grace. Me single blood.
You dey fabricate life for people who pass you front and back.
You don't feel beat me for where this.
Idiot. Hello. This is security. That's the cook. You block me. Why you block me?
Hello.
You don't say nothing. You fight me.
Anyway, go slow here. Go slow here.
Make you get up.
Hey!
They call
You
who?
shut my hair.
Can't you have a taste? Come.
You feature
You
this
say
thing.
you beat me one-on-one.
No, leave me.
You won't beat me one-on-one.
Papa, let's leave this boy.
Do anything. I pass you. You pass
My
me.
shirt and
You don't go do anything. I don't want to beat you.
everything I wear
I
is
will punch you. If you push me, no pause, no problem. I want me you punch me, make damage me.
Now you dey make my
Damage me.
face.
Damage me.
Look at this bastard.
Get up.
Now me Vera, I take my picture of big Vera.
Get up. Leave him. Hello.
Hey, they grab there.
Get up. I know the suppression. It's good. Get up.
You're zero. You're sweating the fight.
Hello, Oga. How you find Abi? Why you block me? Your woman is my woman. Don't go anywhere. I go beat you if you don't go. Black alley here. Alley here, black me. You don't get where they go. Where you dey go?
Papa, where my phone? Papa, for us, beat this boy. Where my phone? Be like the way I beat Vera. Give me that phone. Let beat you.
I go beat you, yes. I go beat you. Yeah, I go finish you. What do Grace? What time? I go bust your eye. You let mad.
Papa, wait.
You let Grace.
Where my phone? Where my phone?
You let Grace.
Where my phone?
Let me the phone. You let mad. You think this is like
Wait, all this thing for me.
May I finish your eye for you?
Papa, where my phone?
Now to carry something, may I finish.
Where my phone?
Papa, I knock you down to wait for.
I'm too expensive.
Papa,
Papa, where my phone?
let me down.
You know this
Bagger, you be bagger.
Where my phone?
You be bagger.
You be bagger.
See, now, original, we are not yet
You be
fake.
bagger,
Where my phone?
You be bagger.
First, give me your phone. Give me phone. Where my
See my phone,
phone?
Dave.
Why video this bastard? I give you the phone.
Now you should be this.
And I hold on. Vera, you say your feet beat me. Yeah, you go to sit for road every day. I'm going to beat you. I tell you, say me again. No, let us go anywhere. Papa, I give you the phone. No, let go anywhere. Papa, why do I do this?
You tear my shirt, you can't come out.
Why you go see Vera where they make match? Papa, where my phone? No, see Vera where they make match. Where my phone? You know, sir.
Your eye don't clear.
You wait, where my phone? See Vera where they make match. You don't feel stop fighting now.
Okay, why we on the video, When they saw. Come home. Wait till they saw me, you carry person for